What's going on, you guys? Justin here from PRP Seats, introducing our brand new series called PRP DIY. We've got our 2023 Can-Am X3 Max DS that we're gonna go ahead and transform with a lot of parts that you guys can actually install at home from all of our industry partners and friends. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing kicked off. Super excited. Let's go. Our first video on the PRP DIY series with our 2023 Can-Am X3 Max DS. Of course, had to start it off being PRP Seats. We gotta go with of course, one of the easiest things to install. It's gonna be Can-Am X3 Door Bags. These items are super easy to install, and you guys want storage bags in these cars. There is just nowhere to store anything, your phone, wallet, keys. Super limited on where you can put stuff, and especially there's nothing in there that actually has a zipper to go ahead and keep shut. And our Can-Am X3 door bag has a built-in knee pad, and I'll show you why. So we're gonna get started. And so simple, open up the door. You'll see just roughly that this bag is a direct insert into the opening. So to get it in there, I'm gonna go ahead and put it behind the little grab handlebar there. And they're in there. So you'll see that it's a perfect fit. I have these hook and loop options here. So I'm gonna go ahead and weave this behind the bar and pull through and latch there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing here. Done there. You do want to do all of the hook and loop options. Make sure it's as secure as possible, because once you do add your phone, keys, sunglasses to it, it's gonna actually add some weight to the bag. So making sure that all of your ends are looped. So that right there is the installation of the Can-Am X3 door bag. It is water resistant, it's not waterproof, so go ahead and don't submerge it. And then once this is shut, and the driver's actually in the car, their knee, just in case it does hit the door, is going to just hit the knee pad versus actually hitting the door or the frame of the car. So super awesome bag, super easy to install. You guys saw that was actually in real time. Now let's go ahead and jump to the rear, because we got 4 doors. All right, so we're jumping to the rear of our Can-Am X3 on the door bag. Once again, super easy install too. So this piece right here, I'm gonna sit right here in this spot. So first, simple hook and loop. Pull out rid of the handle here. The rear passenger will now have some storage items to place in a comfortable spot that's enclosed, because there are some cup holders and stuff in here where you can't put stuff in, but yeah, sunglasses, wallet, keys, phone, any other belongings will be nice and secure in a PRP Can-Am door bag. So as simple as that. Making sure you just got a good connection on the hook and loops right over the bars. And now the rear passengers are set to go. And that is how you guys install E60 210 and E66 210 on a Can-Am X3 Max DS. Let's go.